Hey everyone! So, is your Grammarly extension suddenly not working in Chrome? Maybe the suggestions aren't showing, the icon looks inactive, or Grammarly just stopped checking your writing. Yeah, that can definitely slow things down. In this video, I'll show you several quick ways to fix the Grammarly extension not working in Chrome. These steps are simple, and most of the time they solve the issue in just a few minutes. All right, first, refresh the web page where you're writing. Sometimes Chrome extensions fail to load correctly when a page first opens, so just click the refresh button or reload the tab, then wait a few seconds to see if Grammarly activates. Next, make sure the Grammarly extension is actually enabled in Chrome. Open the Chrome extensions page and look for Grammarly in the list. If the toggle is turned off, simply switch it back on. Another common fix is updating the extension. Sometimes Chrome updates automatically, but extensions don't refresh right away. Updating the extension can fix compatibility issues between Chrome and Grammarly. If Grammarly still isn't working, try clearing your Chrome cache. Over time, stored browsing data can cause extensions to glitch or stop loading correctly. Clearing the cache forces Chrome to reload everything from scratch. If the problem continues, reinstalling the extension usually fixes it. Remove the Grammarly extension from Chrome, then install it again from the Chrome Web Store. This resets the extension completely. One more thing to check is extension permissions. Sometimes Grammarly is installed but not allowed to run on certain websites. Just open the extension settings and make sure it's allowed to run on the site where you're writing. And that's it. In most cases, refreshing the page, enabling the extension, or reinstalling Grammarly will fix the issue pretty quickly. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, feel free to check out more quick tech guides on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.